viewers, today we'll talk about Google Play, a complete introduction and history of Google Play Store. So let's start. Google Play. Google Play, once Android market, is a digital distribution service. It serves as the official application store for devices running the Google certified Android operating system, enabling users to browse and download applications developed including the Android Software Development Kit (SDK) and published by Google. Google Play also works as a digital media store, allowing music, books, movies, and television programs. It previously introduced Google hardware devices for purchase until the launch of the exclusive online hardware retailer Google Store on March 11, 2015. Also, it offered news releases and magazines before the Google News update on May 15, 2018. Apps are accessible for free or at a cost through Google Play. They can be downloaded directly from the proprietary Play Store mobile app on Android devices or from the Google Play website by fitting the device to device. Users of devices, including specific hardware components such as a motion sensor or a front-facing camera for online video calling, can be targeted by applications that exploit the device hardware capabilities. The Google Play Store on over 82 billion application downloads in 2016 and reached 3.5 million apps published in 2017. This program is related to many security issues such as uploading malicious software to the store and downloading users' degrees of severity. Google Play was originated on March 6, 2012, combining the Android market, Google Music, and Google eBook stores under a brand that marks a change in Google digital distribution strategy. Services included in Google Play include Google Play Books, Google Play Games, Google Play Movies and TV, and Google Play Music, and the Google Play newsstand before Google Play entirely phased out in November 2018. Following their rebranding, Google gradually expanded its geographic support for each service. History of Google Play. Google announced the Android market on August 28, 2008 and made it available to users on October 2022. In December 2010, content filtering added to the Android market, which began to show promotional graphics at the top of each app's detail page, and the maximum size of app increased from 25 megabytes to 50 megabytes. The Google eBook Store launched on December 6, 2010, with over 3 million ebooks, making it the largest ebook collection in the world. In November 2011, Google announced Google Music, part of the Play Store that offers Google Music purchases. In March 2012, Google increased the maximum allowable size of the app by allowing developers to attach 2 extension files to apps' actual download. Each expansion file with full size of 2 gigabytes gives a total of 4 gigabytes to the app developers. In March 2012, the Android market was rebranded as Google Play. Application monetization. Google Play in the Developer Policy Center supports a variety of monetization strategies to benefit developers and users, including pay delivery, applications membership, and ad-based models, and requires developers to adopt policies to ensure the best user experience. Developers who charge for apps and downloads through Google Play must use Google Play payment system. Purchases in an app that unlock additional in-app functionality must use the Google Play payment system, except when purchasing for physical products only or for digital content consumed outside the app. E.g. songs that can play on other music players. Support for developers in the United States and the UK paid on February 13, 2009 with additional September 30, 2010 extended support in 29 countries. The billing system in the app first introduced in March 2011. All Google Play developers need a physical address on the Google Play app page, which installed in September 2014. In February 2017, Google declared that it would allow developers to set sales for its apps, a banner that would let customers know when it ends with its actual price and when the deal will end. Google has published changes to its algorithm to promote not only download but also user-based play. Finally, it reveals new editorial pages for the perfect gaming experience on Android that will further promote and improve the game. Android Eye. As of 2017, Google Play has over 3.5 million Android apps. After Google refined a lot of apps from the Google Play Store, the number of apps returned to 2.96 million Android apps. As of 2017, developers in higher than 150 locations can distribute apps on Google Play, but not every site supports merchant registration. Developers receive 70% of the application price, with the remaining 30% going to the distribution partner and operating fees. Developers can close sales. The introductory price from the banner that notifies customer when the sale is over allows Google Play developers to release early versions of applications to a group of users, such as alpha or beta test. Users can pre-order selected apps as well as movies, music, books, and games for deliver items when they become available. Some network carriers offer to bill for Google Play purchases, allowing users to opt for a monthly phone bill instead of a credit card. Customers can request a refund within 48 hours of purchase. Payment method. Google allows users to purchase content via a credit card, a debit card, carrier billing, gift cards, or PayPal. Google launched carrier billing for purchase in May 2012 and later supported PayPal in May 2014. Hope so you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel, share with others. Take care. Bye bye.